Hey friends, it's Megan Elizabeth. I am using, for the first time in my Facebook group, my Facebook portal. It's creepy and cool all at the same time. So hopefully you'll forgive any weird things that may happen. I'm hoping I can see comments. I'm hoping I can see I don't know, the things, because this is what's cool about Portal. It moves with you. So because I wanted to do an unboxing, see how creepy this is? It's kind of cool and it's creepy all at the same time. I'm loving it, but I mean, let's just be real, it's a little bit odd. So anyway, we're hanging out in the craft room today. I told you we're doing a whole bunch of updates. We're doing a whole bunch of other like just revamping. We're getting ready for our live creative workshop on Sunday at 6 p.m. for members of SheMakes.Club only. And we're going to be doing some fun things. So I got my new box of Erin Condren. This is a very large box. See, this is going to follow me wherever I go. So I'm hoping that we're going to have a really cool experience opening this up. Isn't that weird? Isn't that crazy how the camera follows you? So we won't be using this for, all of the overhead and live. Hi, Stephanie. But, for hanging out and doing some check-ins and different things like that, it is kind of cool that, it can be smart, creepy for some people. It just depends on how you look at the situation, I guess. I keep it turned off when we're not using it, but the portal was something that came courtesy of QVC a little while ago. And yeah, that's where we're at with it. So anyway, this is brand new Erin Condren, and I'm excited to open it up and share. I did get a new desk pad. I love that they have custom desk pads, vision board pads, all kinds of cool stuff like this. Like, isn't this crazy how it like moves? So this one is a custom desk pad for Nate to be able to check in on and to be able to use. So we'll take a good zoom in here. How crazy is this? It's the SheMakes.Club by Megan Elizabeth, and we have a weekly breakdown and then some note area, sketch area, and then a checklist to do area. You can customize it in whatever color or phrase or name that you want. And it's really cool. They're under $15. And I freaking love them. I want to say that there's 25 pages, but I could be way wrong. It's way more than 25 pages. I don't know how many pages there are. I feel like I should know this. But anyway, I don't. But I love my Erin Condren stuff, as you know. I can see. And I'm super, super, super pumped. Just had the meeting and the word that we're going to be doing a brand new Erin Condren bundle exclusively on QVC. It's coming in April. It's incredible. It's not just your life planner calendar. It is full out inspiration, faith inspiration, like everything that is my heart. And I'm thrilled. Okay, so we have other goodies. I got it stuck to my foot. It's fine. We're fine. Everything's fine. All right, now we have a few other goodies in here to go with my new calendar, which I'll show you in a second. I had to buy all the things. So I got these mini magnets. They have a little bit of the last year's like kaleidoscope kind of look pattern to them, and then just really beautiful metallics, which I love. So these are magnets. They work on both of these boards. So I have this board over here, which I don't know if it's going to, I have to probably move towards it a little bit more. That board over there, awesome. It is magnetic. It's interchangeable. I'm going to show you how I'm going to change it out. I have two of this exact same board. Well, actually, I have three of this exact board. Long story. I have three of this exact same board. One's at my parents'. We have two here. And I want to change out the inside of these boards. So you can get them at Erin Condren, and they're magnetic. So here's the magnets. And then this is the date dots. So instead of writing in the dates every single month, you just sort of move the magnets around on your board, which is really cool. And then, oh, I'm so excited to open this up. Okay, so this is the new board insert, and I've got to figure out exactly how to, I'll show you how it's packaged, because I think this is interesting to see. This is how they package it. Package it all up in here. It's nice and secure. All right, let's see. This is a bigger project than I think I anticipated. Oh boy, and I'm sticking to all the packaging today. And you're getting good looks at my butt because the portal loves to find it all, doesn't it? I mean, let's, you know, it is what it is. All right, let's get this opened up and move on with our day. All right, and we are going to be live on Sunday doing our live creative workshop for She Makes Club members. I'm so excited. These are so cool. I love how this looks. I'm so excited. Okay, because you can really customize all of these. You can actually even get them customized with photos. You can get them customized with sayings, verses, names, all kinds of different things. Of course, they have plenty of gorgeous pre-made designs as well. If I can get it out of this packaging, it would be kind of phenomenal. They really have it packaged in here well, which is good. We want the stuff packaged well. Here's the situation. I'm cutting this open, and I probably could just open it here. Here we go. It's a bag. All right. That's a lot of work. Okay, so custom made She Makes Club by Megan Elizabeth in the colors that I chose. And it's going to go right into this board. You ready to see how it works? It's pretty cool. I'm excited. All right, we'll set this here. Pull this one down off the wall. Of course, it's hung by a high and mighty drywall hook. These are phenomenal. They're little hooks, no tools required. They're on QVC right now, QVC.com. You just place, press, and hang. 20 to 40 pounds of weight if you get the combo pack. This is a 20-pound hook. Holds these boards awesome. Yeah, they're kind of amazing with what you can do and what they do. All right, so this is the board that I have. Like I said, I have 3 of these. So these are very interchangeable. They do come with Z-bar hangers, so you could just screw in your Z-bar, but I don't want to have to mess with tools or my Z-bar. I just want to hang it from the Z-bar. I'm not going to screw it to my wall when I have a drywall hook. So super easy. I'm going to remove the magnet that's on here. Like I said, these are all magnets, and the frame comes apart. It's really simple. You're just going to pull this top part off, and then this slides in and out of the frame. All right. So there's our old board, which I have several of. Here's our frame. Okay. Magnetic top. And then it also has a little bar down here. There's a little groove in this bar. You can get different accessories for it too. So you can really customize your family workstation or command center or whatever it would be. So these are really great for working from home. These are great for families, virtual learning, homeschooling, which I do, all of those amazing things. Okay, totally custom. Isn't that awesome? So gorgeous. And then the top just goes right back on. There's magnets on both sides, and it just magnetizes right on to complete that frame. Gorgeous. And then it's like a dry erase. So you can use wet erase markers that Erin Condren sells on the website. I still just use my U brand dry erase markers. And then I always just keep a little bit of spray or alcohol to wipe it off with. This doesn't wipe off quite the same as other dry erase. I will say it's a little different. It's the magnet in it and everything else that I think makes it a little bit different. It's a different type of texture. I really don't have other words for that. It's like a metal instead of like a plastic coating, I guess. Yeah, I think that's what makes it a little bit different. I don't know exactly what it's made from. You'd have to check the product info sheet on that. We don't sell these on QVC. They are from ErinCondren.com. Especially if you want to get the customized looks. This hook is a little high. I could probably lower it a little bit. I did do my custom colors in the teal and in the I believe I used salmon and turquoise are the colors that I used, which I like. And this is the color on here is called the color Robin. So that's what's on there. That's the color Robin. So I really love them. I have a other desk calendar already on this desk over here. Of course, my layers planners are with me every single day for doing my daily 3s. I write down every single day. all of my daily threes this year. It's been going even better than years prior in my vertical planner. And then, of course, I have my month overview and my month dashboard where I keep track of all our She Makes Club stuff and my different goals and my one little word and all kinds of fun things. So love this. It goes with me everywhere. You can see with all my stickers in it, it kind of fills up and plumps up pretty good. But it's with me with my Erin Condren tote bag. So actually, I've had a couple people ask about this tote bag. This is what I carry with me every single day. I have a kind of a Kate Spade like clutch wallet that has a strap on it that goes inside of here. I did buy the Erin Condren clutch that matches this, but it's not quite what I need it to be for my daily wallet. So this is the bag. I have all kinds of essential oils and pockets that are filled up with essential oils and pens. There's a water bottle holder here on this side, right here, and I keep my sunglasses in it. You can put your water bottle in it, of course. And then there's two outside zipper pouches. This has all of my She Makes Club folders in the one side, and I actually throw my laptop in here. And then this side gets the actual planner in it. So I will pull this over here and just show you how it looks. It gets a little heavy when I put everything in it, but I'm constantly going back and forth between my mom and dad's house and working from here. So my laptop, my planner, and my files need to be able to go with me every single day. My laptop fits right in that one side, as you can see, with the folders, and it's good to go. Yeah, a little bit heavier, but I'm basically taking my whole entire office with me. So if you're somebody that's on the go a lot, it's a necessary kind of situation. I have it in, this is the metallic gold color. I love it. I also have this tote in gray, and I have it in the navy blue. And like I said, it goes with me every single day. And then my wallet that holds, you know, my credit cards, my cash, my lip gloss, and a few other things. I think I have an essential oil there, and my phone happens to fit in it. That can actually sit right in the middle pouch in here as well. So it can kind of come in and out as my wallet. That way I'm not carrying this into every store or whatever else the case may be. So that's my situation with my Erin Condren tote. Anyway, I was just really excited to share that with you all today. Thanks for coming along on the journey. We will be together on Sunday, 6 p.m. Eastern time. Lots to share. I'm excited about it. And oh, yes, we haven't done the March catalog walkthrough yet for Close to My Heart. March, April, new catalog just came out. Excuse me. Starting on the 1st. And there's some really, really, really beautiful things in here. So if you're looking for some bright, fun, new spring pops of color and scrapbooking, stamps, butterflies, love them. And I know I already showed you my layout just the other day was this. And this is using the Winged Masterpiece stamp of the month. It's only available for March. So this beautiful butterfly dragonfly set is something that I highly recommend getting. I'm going to be using it a lot, so you'll see it in tutorials off and on, and just in my life, just because the butterflies mean so much to me right now, especially. And to be able to get it only in the month of March, you can get it for $5 with a $50 order, or you can actually get it for free as a VIP. So if you need information on that, you can always let me know. Always here for you guys. I just wanted to share that one more time because nothing worse than like missing out or being able to plan for it in your budget and everything else. Like I totally know how it is. So I hope you guys are really having an amazing, amazing day. I will be back with you, like I said, on Sunday. We'll be making and creating, and yeah. Have an awesome day. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.